Okay guys, what are we cooking? I'm still trying to contemplate on what I am cooking today. I know I want to cook fish. I know I want to make this fish, but I don't know exactly what to do. I have spinach. I guess my mushroom is already broken because I put it in the fridge and I brought it out. Instead of me to use it immediately, I didn't use it immediately. So the mushroom is already broken. Yeah. So now, what am I going to cook? Maybe we should have with fish. Yeah. With spinach. I guess I have cheese here and a little bit of cheese on the salt. Any other thing? Should I put broccoli? I don't know what to cook. Sometimes like this, you're just thinking what to cook and you don't actually know what to cook. Yeah? So that is what is actually happening to me now. So what should I have it with? Fish? Fish and rice. Do I have rice? I know I have spaghetti, I have pasta. I don't just have rice, I have Thai basmati rice and specialitat. Also basmati. This is basmati, this is jasmine. I go for jasmine. Yeah. So, what are we going to do with all of those things? First of all, we are going for fish. Here we go. I've got scissors here. We have our grill. This is for grilling. It's a mixed herbs. Yeah. We have our olive oil here. First of all, grease it with olive oil. It's a mixed herb with salt. Yeah. So there's already salt on it, so we're not gonna need enough of salt, a lot of salt anymore. Yeah. But because there's no basil on that, I definitely need some basil. So this is what we're gonna do. Put that in there. Some dry basil with rosemary, and then this is going to come in. You know, you can just pull this fish right and then you roast it just like this. Yes, just like this. So, what do you think? Roast it like this? Be very delicious, but I have my own. Oh, it took so long to cook. Should I just roast it? I'm thinking of roasting it, guys. Roast it, roast it, roast it, roast it, roast it. roast it. We're roasting it. We're putting it in the oven like that. Meanwhile, as the fish is roasting, let's go cook our rice. Make our sauce. Okay, that's okay. Fry. bottle of Coke. Wow, it's smelling so good.
Yes, that's what it was about.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Thyme, black pepper, garlic. Onion to taste and salt. Actually, it's currently setting the table. Actually, leave Ariel know and set the table that you are setting. Thank you. Paprika. A little bit of curry. You can use turmeric. I'm using curry. So because I have only one of these, I'm going to be adding a little bit of milk. I want to check if the fish is ready. Oh, let me put that oil inside it. Oh, look at that. That's it. Now we're going to put a little bit of cheese in it to thicken it. So this is the cheese we have. Our sauce is ready. Look at it. And that comes in our spinach.
Leave it.
Yeah, look at that. And the rice is ready. Jasmine rice, very gummy. That's why I like to go for it on that sauce, yeah, if I'm not using pasta. So it shouldn't be rice and stew all the time. Create your own sauce. Like I just did. Look at that. My God, I turned off this oven. I forgot that. I'm thinking of something else instead of the oven.
here. Put that fish oil in here. I'm just going for waste. So, where am I going to put that fish in? So, guys, food is ready. My